Let's start with the milk frother head. The milk is up to this black marker right here. This is whole milk, low mode. Look how much froth I've made. The frother is rechargeable. It comes with a charging cable, so you don't have to waste money on batteries at all. You don't have to plug it in when using it. It's stored in a nice case to keep them organized and safe. I really like it.